Once upon a time, there was a wealthy man who had two sons. The younger son, full of ambition and excitement for the world beyond, decided to ask his father for his share of the inheritance early. The father, loving and understanding his son's desire for independence, granted him his portion of the wealth. Armed with newfound riches, the younger son set off for a faraway city, seeking adventure and the thrill of life. In the city, he experienced the glamour and allure of parties and careless living. His money seemed to give him access to all the pleasures he could dream of, and he lavished his wealth in pursuit of happiness. Days turned into nights, and nights into days, as he continued on this path of indulgence. But as fortune would have it, a severe famine struck the city. His money was long gone, spent recklessly without thought for the future. Desperate and alone, he struggled to survive in the harsh conditions. He found himself with no choice but to take a job feeding pigs, a task considered shameful and degrading to him. Hungry and humbled, he was living far from the life of luxury he had once enjoyed. He began to reflect on his choices, and his thoughts turned to his father. In the depths of his despair, he remembered his father's kindness and generosity. He realized the error of his ways and longed to return home. Filled with regret and hope for forgiveness, he decided to make the journey back to his father's house. As he walked the long road home, he prepared words of apology and hoped against hope that his father would accept him, even as a servant. To his surprise, long before he reached the house, his father saw him from a distance. With tears of joy and heart full of love, the father ran to his son, arms open wide, embracing him tightly. "I have sinned against you," the younger son began, but his father interrupted him. With joy overflowing, he insisted on celebrating his son's return with a grand feast. "My son was lost, and now he's found," the father exclaimed, welcoming his child back into the family with open arms. The younger son, though broken by his experiences, found redemption and a renewed sense of belonging with his father's forgiveness. Thus, the family was reunited, and the lost son was once again part of their shared life, humbled yet full of promise for days to come.